Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ChargeHub app to activate pay per session charging, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your ChargeHub app on your smartphone. If you have not yet downloaded the app, visit your device's app store and download it. Once the app opens, look for the login option on the main screen. Tap on the login button to proceed. You will now see fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your ChargeHub account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your registered email. Once you have entered your email and password, tap on the Login button. Wait a moment as the app verifies your credentials. If your login is successful, you will be taken to the main dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the section for charging sessions. Look for the option that activates pay per session charging. Select this option to initiate the pay per session feature. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Once activated, your app is ready to assist you with charging sessions. You can now enjoy the convenience of pay per session charging with ChargeHub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.